Continuing on with our series around hunting camp, this video will focus on cooking elk steaks over an open fire. So let's have a look at that video right now.
Okay, it's time for getting my fire going. See, I got my candle lantern there. I got a candle here. I've made my little bird's nest type there, but it's not much. It's not enough to really get going. So what I do is I like to pick it up, move it out of the way, get a couple of bigger ones. So we're past kind of hunting light for me. I saw a bunch of does and I think a buck, but I couldn't tell at the end there. But even though it's light enough to do this, it's not really light enough to be doing the rest of that for hunting, for flintlock and making sure you got the right animal. So what I've done is I picked up some witch's hair, which is right here, and that's lichen off the trees. Really a great fire start, and we'll grab some more for the morning. Got my fire kit ready right here. My char cloth. We'll make some more char cloth tonight too. Put the char cloth here, get it ready to go. I like to start my candle as soon as possible too. So I got the candle out, a big taller one. So here's my char cloth. Set it on top of my flint. And we'll catch our spark hopefully. There it goes. So I got my spark. Kind of my flint. Okay. Just here. And this. And just like that, we have ourselves a fire. What I'll do is I'll make another bird's nest for later. Spoke too soon about having fire. Now we've got fire. So as you can see, the fire's going, and we're gonna start getting ready to make some elk steaks. My hair's running out of the place. Got the fire all set up again, and we're gonna start cooking. You see my pot off to the left there, and I'm gonna make breakfast. Okay, what I've done is I've seasoned my elk steaks with a little bit of dried onion and bourbon type rub, so it'll be a little bit of seasoning on there, and I'll show you what I do. take this one and I stick it sideways like this. I'll cook it slowly on the fire, turning it on my own. The other one, I don't know if you can see it. It's on a little stick that holds it up, and it'll slow cook for quite a while. So, as you can see, fire's doing really well. Cooking the steaks, and then this allows me to turn it any direction. This one I've got propped up. You can use it by hand, or I can prop it on a stick. Hunting this morning was pretty successful. We had a lot of whitetail deer, all at about 150 yards, not any closer, and I didn't see any bucks in the bunch, so couldn't get anything close. No elk, and we'll see what we can do here in a little bit. But I figure I'd come back and stoke the fire up again. Had some snow last night, but it didn't actually stick, so. And that's my morning breakfast. Okay, so this one's done. I like to say that's cooked to perfection. I like to put it into a bun, grab it over top of it, slide it off, and that's a morning sandwich. So,
I hope you enjoyed that. You found that informative. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't had a chance yet to check out the full-length video, Mountain Man Hunting Camp, I recommend that you have a look at that now. And if you're new to this channel, I encourage you to check out all my other videos to see if this is sort of content you might be interested in. And if you are, then I recommend that you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, where you'll be notified anytime I release new material such as this. If you have any recommendations or you want to share any stories with me, you can contact me privately through my email or yourjourneytransitions@gmail.com, or through my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course my website, yourjourneytransitions.com. So until next time, this is Rick Ward, your guide to the retirement stages, wishing you an extraordinary retirement.
This is like a cocoon.
What comes out of a cocoon?
Butterflies.
Are butterflies beautiful?
Yeah.